If you've ever dreamed of sewing like a pro, but don't know which Singer machine can truly bring your ideas to life, stay tuned, because today we're stitching through the best Singer sewing machines you can buy right now. 7. Singer Start 1304. The Start 1304 is a compact and lightweight sewing machine designed mainly for beginners, perfect for those taking their first steps into the sewing world. Right out of the box, it feels sturdy yet small enough to fit easily on any table. Its clean white design and simple knob controls give off a beginner-friendly appeal. It offers 6 built-in stitches, including straight, zigzag, and a basic buttonhole, all of which are easy to select with the front dial. When I tested it, the threading process was refreshingly simple. The tension held up quite well on cotton and other light materials. However, the machine starts to reveal its limits when you try to use thicker fabrics. I tried sewing denim, and it struggled a bit, especially at transitions between seams. The motor feels underpowered for heavy-duty fabrics, which isn't surprising given the price point, but it's worth noting for those wanting to do more than basic projects. The small throat space also limits maneuverability if you're working on larger garments or quilts. Still, the Singer Start 1304 shines where simplicity matters most. It's portable, weighs under 10 pounds, and can easily travel for sewing classes or small home projects. The automatic tension feature reduces beginner errors, and the dual spool pins are nice for twin needle stitching, a feature not often seen in entry-level models. One area of improvement could be the lighting. The built-in LED feels dim when working on darker threads or fabrics, but for around $150, it's a great first step into sewing. Number 6. Singer 7258 Stylist. The 7258 Stylist is a big jump up in both versatility and performance. It's a computerized machine featuring 100 built-in stitches and a sleek LCD screen interface that makes stitch selection quick and easy. When I started using it, I noticed immediately how smooth and quiet the motor was, a big improvement over the 1304. The automatic needle threader works efficiently, and the machine's speed control slider gives you full control, whether you're sewing slow curves or fast hems. However, while the 7258 packs a lot, it's not without quirks. The plastic housing feels a bit less durable than expected, and I found that prolonged use with thick fabrics sometimes made the motor pause briefly between stitches. It handles denim and canvas decently, but it's best suited for medium-weight fabrics like cotton, polyester, or linen. The included presser feet, 10 in total, make it highly versatile for everything from buttonholes to decorative stitching. One of the standout features during testing was the programmable needle up-down function, which is invaluable for quilting and pivoting around corners. The stitch quality itself is consistent, and the precision is impressive for a mid-range model. The automatic bobbin winder and transparent bobbin cover are convenient touches that made rethreading much easier mid-project. While it's not a heavy-duty model, the 7258 is ideal for hobbyists who like computerized control but don't need industrial strength. It's a worthy choice for the serious beginner or intermediate sewer ready to explore complex stitching without paying premium prices. Number 5. Singer M3330. This model strikes a fine balance between simplicity and power. It comes with 23 built-in stitches, more than enough for most sewing needs. What stood out immediately is how easy it is to switch from one stitch type to another using the large dial, which responds with a satisfying click. The heavy-duty metal frame gives it a solid feel, and it runs smoothly even when sewing through layered denim pieces. During testing, I appreciated how the front-loading bobbin design kept jams to a minimum. The automatic needle threader worked efficiently after a brief learning curve. The M3330 also performs well when top stitching. Stitches are straight and evenly spaced, which gives a professional finish. Compared to earlier mechanical models, the motor feels stronger and more responsive. That said, it's still a mechanical machine, so don't expect the convenience of digital settings or automatic tension balancing. Adjustment takes a bit of trial and error until you find that sweet spot. The LED light here is brighter than on the 1304, and the overall user experience feels faster and more confident, especially for intermediate sewers wanting a workhorse at an affordable price. All things considered, the M3330 is a dependable, no-fuss sewing machine that's well suited for everyday home projects, garment repairs, and even light crafting. It's simple but powerful enough to grow with you once you move beyond beginner status. 4. Singer Heavy Duty 4411. Now we're entering the heavy-duty lineup, starting with the 4411. This machine means business. Its stainless steel bed plate and metal interior frame give it a professional-grade sturdiness, and with an impressive motor that's about 60% stronger than standard sewing machines, it sews thick materials like denim, canvas, and leather without blinking. I tested it with multiple layers of fabric, denim plus interfacing, and it powered through each seam cleanly. The 4411 offers 11 built-in stitches, including 4 decorative ones and a one-step buttonhole. It isn't overloaded with options, but every stitch feels precise and strong. The adjustable presser foot pressure and stainless steel feed plate add to its performance on uneven fabrics. You can truly feel the strength of this machine while sewing through heavy seams. Of course, the 4411 isn't aimed at hobbyists who want embroidery or fancy decorative stitching. It's made for tough, practical work. The speed can be intense for newcomers, reaching up to 1,100 stitches per minute, so you need a steady hand. The machine vibrates slightly at top speed, but not enough to affect stitch quality. In essence, the 4411 is perfect for people sewing jeans, upholstery, or any material that weaker machines can't handle. It's a real workhorse, simple, no nonsense, and efficient. 3. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. The 4423 takes everything great about the 4411 and steps it up a notch. With 23 built-in stitches, an automatic needle threader, and the same heavy-duty metal frame, this model is built to last. The difference becomes clear once you start working on decorative projects. There's more variety, more flexibility, and smoother transitions between fabrics. Testing it on leather, canvas, and even denim layers was a joy. The motor didn't flinch once, producing perfectly even stitches every time. The 4423 also includes an automatic one-step buttonhole feature that saves time and effort on professional-looking finishes. Its drop-in bobbin system is super convenient and prevents jams, a big upgrade compared to older front-load designs. It's also user-friendly enough for beginners who want durability but aren't afraid of a little power. The speed remains at 1,100 stitches per minute, but the control dial makes adjusting tension and stitch length surprisingly smooth. Some might wish for more decorative stitch options, but for durable everyday sewing, this is one of the best. If you're focused on practicality, speed, and reliability, the 4423 gives you pro-level results at a fraction of the industrial cost. It's a popular bestseller for a reason. 2. Singer Heavy Duty 4452. Now onto the Singer 4452. Possibly the best balance between industrial strength and advanced functionality. Out of the box, it feels premium and sturdy. Like the previous models, it houses a powerful motor, sewing 1,100 stitches per minute with ease. The real difference here lies in its included accessories and extra stitch options. 32 built-in stitches, including decorative, stretch, and basic ones. During my tests, the 4452 tore through heavy fabric stacks effortlessly. I even tried 8 layers of denim, no skipped stitches, no feed issues. It comes with bonus accessories like a walking foot and non-stick foot, making it capable of handling materials like leather, vinyl, or canvas better than most machines in its price range. It's fast, reliable, and capable, but most of all, it inspires confidence. While the 4423 is slightly cheaper, the 4452 justifies the upgrade with those added stitches and accessories that simplify complex projects. If I had to nitpick, the design isn't as modern as computerized models, and it can feel slightly loud at top speed. But for someone serious about sewing everything from clothing to upholstery, this machine delivers exceptional value. This model blurs the line between home and professional use, making it one of the best all-around sewing machines Singer has to offer. One, Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. Finally, topping our list at number 1 is the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960, a true masterpiece for anyone who takes sewing seriously. With an incredible 600 built-in stitches, including decorative, stretch, and alphanumeric options, this computerized sewing dream machine has everything a designer could ask for. It also includes 13 one-step buttonholes and even 5 fonts for monogramming. When I tested it, I was blown away by its precision. The automatic thread cutter, mirror imaging, and stitch elongation are each features that make sewing not just efficient, but creatively inspiring. The wide extension table is ideal for larger projects like quilts or formal dresses. The threading process is fully automatic, the lighting is bright and even, and the entire operation feels silky smooth thanks to the direct drive system. Despite being powerful, it's impressively quiet. The LCD screen is responsive, allowing you to adjust stitch type, length, and width in seconds. The Quantum Stylist 9960 also offers memory capability for storing your own custom stitch sequences, which is a game changer for creative designers. If there's a flaw, it's that the machine's advanced features may feel overwhelming for complete beginners. But once you get the hang of it, it's pure magic. It's a sewing studio packed into one box, capable of turning any sewing vision into reality. For anyone looking to invest in the absolute best Singer sewing machine, the Quantum Stylist 9960 takes that crown effortlessly. Outrow. And there you have it, the top 7 Singer sewing machines ranked and reviewed. From simple starters to high-end studio performers, Singer continues to prove why it's one of the most trusted brands in the world of sewing. Whether you're patching jeans, quilting masterpieces, or designing the next trend, there's a Singer that's made for you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about which machine fits your projects best. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep stitching your dreams into reality.